Can't make calls to others on iPhone? Are your calls not going through? Well, look no further. Here's how you can solve calls not going or can't ring find on iPhone. To solve these issues, you need follow these 3 advanced guides. So, let's get started. Solution 1. Set most compatible network system for a call. Open setting, scroll down, tap mobile or cellular data, scroll down, turn it off. Now select your SIM card. Now go back to main cellular data setting. Tap cellular data option, tap voice and data. Try to select the available network around your surroundings. If it's 5G, then set 5G, auto, or 4G, depending on what you have. Also make sure to enable Volte to have better voice over call. Quickly after that, swipe down. Enable airplane mode for 20 seconds. Now turn off the airplane mode. Solution 2. Eject and inset SIM card. Try to eject your SIM card from your iPhone. Wait about 30 seconds. After that, reinsert the SIM card and then check your issues. Most likely your problem is going to be solved right after that. Now, if you still have any issues, then follow the next solution. Solution 3. Try to reset mobile network. Open setting, scroll down, tap general, scroll down, tap transfer and reset iPhone. Tap reset network setting. Go and try to reset the network setting to fix your issues. After that, your problem is going to be solved. Now, if you still have anything to ask, please let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.